Let me break down the differences between choosing an elder law attorney who thinks strategically versus choosing an elder law attorney that is a document producer. And I just had somebody leave the office who went to another attorney and he ended up with a personal services contract, qualified income trust, and a power of attorney. Yes, the fees were lower than what we would charge, but the key is like figuring out what's missing. And so the client came to me confused, not knowing what to do with the legal documents. And one of the legal documents, personal service contract, during the meeting, we discovered wasn't really needed because, and in fact, the personal services contract, when he got into the details, was not needed. And he didn't know that it is a taxable event when you have a personal service contract, and it's income tax when you transfer from your parent into the caregiver providing the service under the personal services contract. That was not needed under the facts and circumstances here, so he was charged for something that essentially wasn't needed. And then when it came to the qualified income trust, it was a document. The document is actually the easiest part on the qualified income trust. What was missing is the granular execution, the timing, the problem solving at the bank, the knowing how much to put in and take out each month, and why, and the understanding on how the money flows, and the reassurance to make sure we're doing the right thing, that the documentation to make sure that the right documentation's in the application when you provide the proof that you did what you were supposed to do. And so that all takes time, and the execution proof takes time, and those details are when things actually have to occur, not just legal documents. That's what stresses a lot of people out. And so what we do and how we approach elder law and Medicaid planning is to see what ultimately needs to be done to achieve the objective, which is usually get Medicaid, not to create the document. It's usually to get Medicaid or get some result, placement in a good nursing home, etc. So if you have any questions, comment below.